Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to register for the Commerzbank online banking step by step. First, open the Commerzbank or app official website. Then, tap the register option or the open an account option. Now, choose the account type you want to choose. Once you've done, click on now enter your registered account number or customer ID, then tap continue. Enter the verification code sent to you on your mobile number. This confirms your identity. Now create your username and PIN, confirm and continue. Follow these steps or instructions shown on the screen. Then your online banking will be activated. Keep your login details safe and private. That's how to register for the Commerzbank online banking. Subscribe for more helpful tutorials.